Campus revitalization, a bold vision for student life. The University of Tennessee at Knoxville is gearing up for a major transformation, and it's starting with a bang. The iconic student union is set to undergo a remarkable makeover, complete with a vibrant outdoor plaza, an amphitheater, and a food truck park right on Cumberland Avenue. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. A multi-million-dollar makeover. The university is investing heavily in its student spaces, with a $40.5 million renovation plan for the Presidential Court building and a $5.35 million upgrade for the student union. The former, nestled among residence halls, will retain its exterior charm while undergoing a complete interior overhaul. This includes the creation of an esports complex, multimedia lounge, and a center for basic needs, ensuring students have access to essential resources. Controversial relocation. Here's where it gets interesting. The Center for Basic Needs, which was previously housed in the Student Union, will be relocated to the Presidential Court building. This move aims to make the center more accessible to students, who utilized its services over 46,000 times last year. But will this relocation truly benefit students, or is it a controversial decision that might disrupt established routines? Enhancing student experience. The renovations are part of a broader strategy to accommodate the university's growing student population and enrich their campus experience. With a record-breaking freshman class of 7,143 students this semester, Chancellor Donde Plowman is pushing for ambitious enrollment goals. By 2030, UT aims to enroll 55,000 students. With 41,000 on campus, and 14,000 online through a partnership with Arizona State University. A vision for the future. The student union upgrades are just one piece of the puzzle. Vice Chancellor Frank Cuevas revealed that the university is also constructing a new student success building and a dormitory with a UT creamery shop. These projects aim to create a vibrant, modern campus that caters to students' needs and fosters a sense of community. As the university embarks on this ambitious journey, it invites students and the community to share their thoughts. Will these changes truly enhance the student experience, or are there potential drawbacks? The debate is open, and your voice matters.